Jeg lover dig. Du vil lige herovre. How easy? Oh my god.
Hello, welcome from Amsterdam's red light district. Right now we're standing on the Oude side's Wallen, and it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. People are chilling next to the canals, having a beer, having a drink. Most window brothels aren't filled yet, because most of the ladies, they like to work in the nighttime. Did you know that it's actually cheaper to rent the window brothels during the day than in the night? In the daytime, the ladies, they pay about 80 euros, while in the night it's more like 150 euro. And did you know that all these small boats in Amsterdam, they don't have a normal spot to park their car, their boat. The thing is that in Amsterdam, if you want to get a place to park your boat, then most Amsterdammers, they just put up a sign next to the canal side. So when the name of the boat is Peter, they'll put a sign up to the canal also saying Peter. And this is how they claim their spot in the city. Alright, right now we're walking towards the FEBO. I think most people who have visited Amsterdam, they are familiar with the FEBO. And at the FEBO you can get the real Dutch snacks like frikandellen or kroketten or kaassoufflés, cheese soufflé. And this is the FEBO. It has been around since the late 60s. It used to be a bakery, but nowadays they sell these things. Let's check it out. So this is a typical Dutch snack. It's called a croquette. Oh yeah. You can get them here at the FEBO. Alright, you can enjoy the view while I will enjoy my croquette. And what most people don't know is that the red light district actually has a hidden church. And a hidden Catholic church. And it's located over there. In that attic over there. And this canal house dates back to the 17th century. And in that time most Protestant people in Amsterdam, they had control of the city, or the power, so to say. And that big church, the old church, that's a Protestant church. And that's a hidden Catholic church. Now the thing was that back then, the Protestant people, they didn't want to have a public, big Catholic church in the city. So Catholic people, they built churches in their houses, in their basements or their attics. And this is the last hidden church in Amsterdam. And it's located all the way in that attic over there. And a special thing about it is that if you want to visit this place, you walk through a normal house, you see a normal kitchen, a normal bedroom, a normal restroom, and all the way on top there's a beautiful hidden church. The place is called Our Lord in the Attic, and the entrance of the museum is over there, in the middle of the red light district. Now I want to show you an alley in the red light district that is called the Spooksteeg, or the Ghost Alley. And it's an alley where most visitors don't go because it's quite small and also not that easy to find. By the way, right now we're walking in the oldest part of Amsterdam. So this is also where you find the oldest houses, the oldest buildings, the oldest streets, and also, of course, one of the oldest professions in the world. So now we are seeing the Ghost Alley. This is the place, and it has a beautiful view. Isn't that great? So yeah, if you want to go here, you need to look for the Spooksteeg or the Ghost Alley. And on this side, this is where you have a street called the Oude Achterburgwal. And behind that truck over there, this is where you find most window brothels. And now we are walking towards the Zeedijk, also known as Chinatown. And this street also has many gay bars, like that one over there, and like this one over here. And this is actually the first gay bar of Europe. And did you know that the Netherlands was the first country in the world to legalize gay marriage? And they did that in 2001. And further down the road you see a Chinese temple, which I have heard that this is actually the biggest Buddhistic temple of Europe. And it's located here in the middle of the red light district. So yeah, this is what the red light district looks like during the daytime. And this is the Buddhistic temple. So actually the red light district of Amsterdam has 3 religious organizations. A Christian hidden church, a Buddhistic temple, and a Protestant church.
Ja, het is leuk, maar ik merk ook wel.
And that building over there is called De Waag, and it's actually the second oldest building of Amsterdam. It stands on Nieuwmarkt Square, and it used to be a city gate, so people actually went through the building to enter Amsterdam. Well, nowadays it's actually a restaurant. And if you're looking for a place in the red light district with a lot of sun, then I would recommend going here. This is called Nieuwmarkt or Nieuwmarkt Square. And throughout the day there is sun here. So even late in the evening you can find some good bars here with sun. Like this place. Alright, this was it. I hope to see you next time. Keep following us on Instagram. Keep liking our pictures. And yeah, maybe we see you one time during our tours. Alright, enjoy your day. Bye bye.